and welcome to Fry Facts by Shiksha, and this is Bhagyashri. In today's video, we will try to find answers about NEET PG Counseling. So my first question would be, how does 2023 NEET PG Counseling differ from the year 2022?
Hello students. First of all, ma'am, let's talk about the basic process. So, if you look into the 2022 and 2023, there is no as such difference. Reason being, only difference comes is with the level of the examination. But for the process that occurs for the counseling, that's the similar one. Many students had a confusion that there was an exam called exit exam, which was about to be introduced. But maybe because of the delay in the implementation or other things, it would be implemented in 2025, but not this year. So this year the counseling is more or less the same part. Students need not to get afraid of is there any change or anything. No, there's no change in the counseling pattern.
So we have received another question from a student saying, how much time will I be given to join the allotted course?
So depending upon, like, if you look into the fourth round that's going on right now, that is the stray round. So in this, the result will be up by 14th of October. It's 12 today. By 14th of October, you'll be getting your results, and you have to report within 5 days of it. Like from 15th to 20th of October, you have to report to the allotted seat wherever you have gotten your seat. So you have 5 days in hand to get the allotment received by the hospitals.
The next question is, seats for which NEET PG counseling will be held?
So this time, there were 5 main domains where the seats, the counseling got done. First was your general medicine, then was your radiology, pediatrics, then we had dermatologist and anesthesia. So these were the 5 main domains on which the counselings were held this particular year.
Does MCC declare NEET PG counseling results?
Of course, because that's the official site that we have, the official committee, that is your medical counseling committee, which declares your results. And please make sure, please keep this in mind, that whenever you check your results, go to the official site only. Do not believe on any other site. They might give you any fake results. They might make a mistake in giving the results. So only and only visit the regularly visit your official site, that is MCC, Medical Counseling Committee.
And my last question is, what are the various fees to be paid at the time of registration?
So talking about the fees, so we majorly have 2 fees that you have to pay. First is your registration one. The second one is your security deposit. For the registration fees, for your general or the EWS, it is 1,000 rupees. For your SC, SC, PWC and your OBC, it is 500 rupees. Condition, if you are applying in a deemed university, because that's something students miss out. If you are applying for a deemed university, the registration fees is 5,000 rupees. Keep in mind. And for your security deposit, again, if you are applying in the All India quota, it is 25,000. If you are a SC, ST, OBC, PWD student, it will be 10,000. Again, if you are applying in a deemed university, it is slightly higher, that is 2 lakh rupees. So keep all these figures in mind and do not make a mistake while applying in your respective quotas.
Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, do post your queries or doubts in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe our channel.